Welcome to the KMC Commander IoT Platform video series. In this video, we discuss virtual devices. First, a bit of context. Oftentimes within a building, there are many devices. Sometimes these devices stand alone, but sometimes these devices report back to a higher tier device. A common example of this is a series of BACnet controllers, all reporting back to a Tritium Niagara Jace. Then when KMC Commander is added to this building, the only device that may be discovered by Commander is that Jace. That Jace shows up in the platform as a single network and a single device with hundreds, if not thousands, of points. It can be helpful to separate these devices out into their own architecture within the platform, which is where virtual devices come in. So a virtual device is a user-created device that sources its data from a subset of points from a field device discovered by KMC Commander. Let me now show you how it works. Here we have a device, and as you can see, there are a large number of points. To take a subset of these points and create a virtual device, we will navigate to the Site Explorer on the Network Explorer page. We're going to click the Add New Node button at the top. From the pop-up menu, we will select the type as Virtual Device, then name our virtual device. I like to add a reference to it being a virtual device in the name to help better keep track of them, but use whatever naming mechanism you'd like. We'll then select the device from which we'd like to make the virtual device. Next, we'll select the individual points to break out of this device to add to our new virtual device. To speed this process up, I can search for the points I'm looking for, which is a helpful feature. When I'm done, I'll click Add, and my virtual device is now created. I can see it here in my Site Explorer as a separate device. But more importantly, I can now see it more easily when I go to select devices and points while creating cards, trends, alarms, and more. Lastly, back in Site Explorer, if you'd like, you can now click on that virtual device and either edit its name or restore those points back to its original device, which also deletes the virtual device. Since 2014, KMC Controls has partnered with Intel to bring our industry the latest technology around cloud-connected smart buildings and cybersecurity. Intel is a clear leader in the space, and we are going to continue to build our products and services around their best-in-class technology. For more information about KMC Commander, please check out our other videos in this series. And to learn more about any of the solutions from the building geniuses at KMC, visit us on the web at kmccontrols.com.